If you have just 10 minutes in the morning for yoga, then this class is for you. I've designed this class to gently energize and wake up the body in a short amount of time, so you can start your morning on a high note. Welcome to my channel. My name is Roya, and this is Everyday Yoga with Roya. My goal is to help you incorporate yoga into your daily habit with short, accessible sequences. Let's get started. Let's begin in a comfortable seat. Come into a cross-legged position on the center of your mat and close your eyes. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. And begin to take a few slow, deep breaths. Feel your sit bones root into the ground. And then feel a length of energy running up along your spine to your crown. As you inhale, feel the energy rise along this line. And as you exhale, relax while maintaining that length and groundness in your spine. It's nice to begin every practice with a centering practice to focus in on your breath. Good. Now take your hands to your knees, and on your inhale, we'll extend the spine to the sky in a seated cat pose. And we'll exhale, rounding your back. Inhale, extend, gaze so slightly up. Pull your shoulder blades down your back. And exhale, roll your shoulder blades, hunch your back, tuck your tailbone. Breathe in, extend. Breathe out, round. Move through a couple more of these with your breath at your own pace. Connecting the breath and the movement together. The breath guides and initiates every movement. Coming back up to neutral. Inhale your right arm to the sky. And we'll exhale, bring it to your left knee into a spinal twist. Plant your left fingertips gently behind your left hip. Gaze softly to the side. Inhale back to center. This time, extend your left hand and twist to the right. Gaze is soft. Fingertips are guiding the spine, but do not push or force your way. We're gently moving the body, gently waking it up for this day. Inhale back to center. And this time we'll move with our breath again. Inhale, extend your arms to the sky. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, center, extend. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. And again, like before, just move through this at a nice, easy pace that corresponds to the pace of your breath. Good, and we'll exhale together in our last twist to the right, coming back to center. Now extend your legs wide into about a 90-degree angle between your legs, coming into a wide-legged forward fold. Inhale, plant your hands by your side and extend your spine long into the sky. Keeping that length, exhale and gently fold forward. Coming to wherever you start to feel sensation, You can bring your hands in front of you or leave them behind you to help create that extra length in your spine. Just come to a point where you start to feel some stretch in your body. Sometimes I wiggle a little bit as we're just waking up, just easing into these stretches. Your body's been still and asleep for so long. It's nice to give yourself some grace in these moments to slowly find your way in. Keep some engagement through your legs, your feet flex, your quads engage to help get that stretch through your hamstrings as well as your hips and low back. Good. Inhale, come back up. We'll take this into a bit of a side bend. Take your left knee, bend it in, bringing your left foot to the inside of your right hip. Inhale your right arm high and exhale. Bring it to your shin or your foot. Slide it along to wherever feels comfortable. Inhale your left hand high and then over your head, coming into the side bend. Feel your left hip release into the ground. I tend to feel some tension holding that left hip when I first come into this. Take an inhale, focus on that area, and exhale. Imagine those muscles releasing and dropping into the ground. Keep your gaze soft and just let your right ear drop towards your right shoulder. Good. Inhale, come on up. We'll switch sides. Bringing your right foot to the inside of your left thigh. Left arm slides down the leg and right arm reaches up, bend over. So once again, inhale into your back right hip and exhale, release that area into the ground. Feel it sinking through the earth. Imagine that. Inhale, come on up. Bring your legs in and roll over towards the front of your mat to all fours, tucking your toes and sending your hips back into downward facing dog. Walk your feet out. Feel your spine lengthening in this position, getting some nice traction in your spine as your hips energetically move towards the back wall. Look forward and slowly walk your feet towards the front of your mat, keeping them hip width. Put a gentle bend in your knees, hold on to opposite arms, and drop your head into a ragdoll. You can sway your upper body side to side if that feels good. Release your arms, keeping that big bend in your knees. Slowly roll your body up to standing. Rolling your head and neck up last. Good. Close your eyes and take a few breaths here. Thank you for practicing with me today. This was a quick sequence to waken your body and get you ready for the day. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment and let me know what you liked below. I release new videos every Monday. I hope to see you next week. Thanks a lot.